All right, we are on Stacy Noriega's roof, and we're going to be doing a repair attempt video on the south facing slope. We've got our shingle that we've taken from one of the slopes we're going to be doing this repair with. We're going to use this area here. There's a couple damaged shingles. As you can see, the shingles above it don't have any wind damage, so.
All right, the first thing I need to do is loosen up the shingle itself. These guys are already pretty loose. Then now I have to loosen 2 rows of shingles above it. I like to use the line as my guideline of which shingles need to be loose. All right. So all my shingles are loose. Next thing I need to do is remove the 2 rows of fasteners that are holding our shingle down. First thing I need to do is get under this staple. On this row. All right, so I removed the first row of fasteners. Now I need to work my way up to the second row. We got 2 more fasteners, and that should be good. Take our shingle out. Make sure we have a clean surface to install these new ones.
And like we mentioned,
And so right
that
here.
second layer is that organic shingle.
So again, organic. All right. Now I'll replace the shingle. Sliding this down here. First one's gonna go right up there. Another one has to go right here.
This above shingle is already losing so much granules. It's crazy.
One more. Then we do our bottom row staple of nails. put 3 more. Two more. And our last guy right here. All right. And in the results of that, we're not going to brush these off, but
well, so as you can see, this has damaged both of the shingles above it. You've got creasing and granule loss. If you were to brush it off, and that's on all of the 2 shingles above that needed to be manipulated with like the slightest manipulation. If you were actually to even brush a shingle off when the wind hits it, you have all that granule loss increasing.
So in the process of replacing 1 shingle, we now have a total of this guy.
Like 1, 2,
So
3,
1,
4.
2, 3 damaged shingles in the process
3?
of replacing 1.
Let's get a close up here. So yeah, the repairability test on the south slope, that's a definite fail. Any repair is gonna cause damage to the shingles above.